In our special series, Enabling India, today making India more accessible to the differently abled. Today we report on how the government's Accessible India campaign could be a game changer.
From wheelchair ramps to signs in Braille, few public spaces are accessible to the differently abled right now. India has over 2.68 crore people with disabilities, so the need for ramping up these efforts is massive. That's why the government's Accessible India campaign could make a huge difference. The immediate target is to make 50 government buildings in India accessible by July next year. Going forward, 100 buildings in 48 cities will be shortlisted and made accessible for the differently abled. By July next year, 75 railway stations and all international airports will have to comply. A universal ID accepted across the country is also on the cards.
वर्तमान में विकलांगता की परिभाषा में 7 श्रेणियां आती है। सुनने वाले अगर आज कम सुनते हैं तो वो उस बीमारी में सम्मिलित नहीं थे, उस परिभाषा में सम्मिलित नहीं थे। ऐसी बारीक बीमारियां भी उसमें जोड़ दी गई है और इस प्रकार से वो 7 की बजाय 19 श्रेणियां हो जाएगी।
Can you tell us a little bit about the app, because that's really expected to be an interactive process?
It's basically a crowdsourcing platform for giving us information regarding inaccessible places.
Accessibility is an important factor for the differently abled that can make them more self-reliant and independent.
The mindset blocks happen. So with regards to the Accessible India campaign also, one is in terms of creating accessible solutions. So how the same thing can be accessed through different ways. But the second is for the society to accept that doing things differently is going to be okay.
Accessible ATMs, sharing zone.
Though it may still be a while before the mobile phone can be used by the differently abled for indoor navigation, with the Accessible India campaign, at least a step has been taken in the right direction. In Mumbai, Ketki Angre for NDTV.